Right there, the Mavic 2 Zoom. Over here, the Autel EVO. And over here, we have Steve, right here, and James. And we're going to fly these drones. We're out here at a park. If you look over our heads, we're way up at a mountain, and just going to show you the image quality from both. Let me just power this up. Okay, take yours up to, what'd you go before, 25? 20? Yeah. Go up to 20, and I'll join you in a second. Okay, so what are we heading to?
I'll head to the right of that bay if you want to head to the left of that bay. Or we'll head for the same thing, right?
Yeah, you just go ahead of me and I'll just go right, because I'm behind you. So here's James, he's got his drone, his Mavic 2 Zoom is there, my Autel EVO is here. We are recording right now. We're looking straight ahead to show you what the color and the image quality is of both drones. They're both recording, sitting right there, looking out. If I get down low, this is what they're looking at, the field over there. So on the screen you should see what they see, and look at James, yeah, he's pretty good. And I look at mine. The colors look similar, but it's hard to tell until we actually look at it on a computer. And let me just change mine to the color. I'm going to switch it to vivid. So here's the Autel EVO with vivid colors on. How does that look? Does it make it look any closer to the actual Zoom? Because the Zoom has really good colors. Can't tell. All right, let me put it back on none. Now, James, you have a zoom mode, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, hang on a sec. I have a zoom mode too, but let me find it. Zoom in on yours and I'll zoom in on mine. Ready? Go. There's my zoom. I'm at 3 times optical. I'm kidding, guys. There's no optical on this. This is all digital. 5 times digital, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. Look at my screen. Okay, I gotta zoom down. What do I see? So there's 8 times digital zoom on the Autel EVO. That has got to look like the crappiest picture known to man. It's probably all pixelated. So let's jump out of that, bring it down to like
2 times is what I'm on.
6,
so
4.
2 times optical. See what 2 digital looks like.
Here's 2 digital. Is that close to the 2 times Yeah. So you're 2 times optical on the Mavic 2 Zoom. I'm on 2 times digital on the Autel EVO. So do they look similar? I don't know on our screens. I'm looking down a bit, but no, we're looking pretty good. Yeah, it looks good. So that's what you get. And of course, if I take it back to the way it is standard, 1 times, which is what you would normally get, and that's what you have. And then here we are. All right, we just finished our little comparison of the Autel EVO and the, what did we have there? The Mavic 2 Zoom. And I don't know, from what we could see on our little displays on our phones, it looked pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, I think they're both pretty good.
Yeah, so I'm interested to see the colors, because with the Autel EVO, I never fly it on vivid colors, and I'm probably stuttering because I'm freezing out here. It's cold. It is fall, as you can see by the trees and the weather. But so I'm interested to see what that looked like. Anyways, Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and you'll see more of James and I doing all sorts of drone video stuff in the future. Stay tuned.